Hello and welcome to another edition of Fix 64. I'm Darren Hadley, and I kind of did something I shouldn't have. I accepted an offer from a seller on eBay for two iBook G4s. They are unknown working. They didn't have power adapters supposedly, and I don't even know what condition they're in. I don't know anything about them, so all I know is the total came to $64, so I had to do it. Yeah, so let's get to unboxing these iBook G4s. This is the first in my Mac PowerPC series, vintage series. And let's see what we got here. This is always scary because you never know. The scariest thing you can order on eBay though is iMac G3s, and actually, yeah, Power Mac G3s also. They have a tendency, the plastic has a tendency to crack, which sucks. Okay. But so far so good. They've got some bubble wrap between them, so that's good. Let's see. Okay, I can just slide them both out. It's very apparent I got them from eBay. I'm glad they put some bubble wrap on them. Okay, yeah, they're scratched as usual. It's hard not to find any that aren't scratched now. Huh. Keyboard seems to be in pretty good shape except for the missing latch. Same with this one. And luckily I have plenty of power adapters for these. Let's see what's going on with this. It seems like the battery does not want to stay in. Yeah. Yeah, that happens. Out of the two, maybe I could make one work. I don't know. Let's, yeah, that's, oh yeah, there's some plastic broken in there. can see. It's the plastic that holds the battery in. That's sad. Well, maybe not. Oh wait, I left the lock unlocked. There. Okay, let me plug this in. Okay, I got yellow. Will it turn to orange or amber? Yes, yes. May have some charging. Let me get this more on the screen. And nothing. I don't know if anything's missing inside or what. I'm going to leave this plugged in for about 5 minutes. Sometimes they just come to life. So. And then, yeah, if I can get one or both working, I like to use these IDE to M.2 SATA or they work really well. They're flash storage and it works a lot better than the spinny hard drives inside. Okay, I'm gonna let this just sit for a minute. Okay, so I left it going for a while. Let's see if it starts. No. It is charging the battery though. You know, sometimes I leave these things plugged in for like an hour or two and they just turn up. Let's give this one a try. Wow. Flashing folder. It looks like we don't have a hard drive or anything, but or maybe just an OS. But yeah, we can between the two. They're identical in specs. I looked at the specs. We should be able to get at least one of them going between the two. So that's exciting. Got some DDR 333 megahertz here. Just in case this one starts, because it didn't have any RAM in it, but this did. Or if it's... So it might be charging. So, yeah. That's exciting. I don't think I'm going to do anything in this video, but I just wanted to reveal and see if we could at least get one to turn on, and we did. So that's cool. I'm going to leave that. Oh, no, I'm going to leave this plugged in a bit more. And if I can get it to turn on, I will update everyone. Yeah, this one's like so messed up. It's funny because the most beat up, crappy one is the one that turns on, and the better of the two doesn't. So seems like that's how it always works too. I don't get it. But yeah, these need a good cleaning, and I will just let this sit longer, and I'll be back to update. Okay, I'm back. It's been overnight and half a day, and I haven't tried this yet. It's been plugged in. Sometimes when you leave them plugged in for a while, they just come out of like a sort of iBook coma. But hopefully it'll work. If not, I will have to use this one as a transplant donor and transplant the motherboard over to this and any other good parts and make one good MacBook or iBook. And yeah, let's try it. And nothing. So looks like we're gonna be doing some surgery. So not good. Well, it is good. I mean, out of the two, we're gonna have a working one. But yeah. So it was still worth it. Maybe I don't know. $64 is quite a bit for two. But I could still use it for other donor parts and stuff in the future too. So it was probably worth it. Okay, let's. I might as well wrap this one up and look for the next video with these two iBooks, and you'll see me transplanting a motherboard, which should be fun. It is kind of a long process, so I may have to do some of the work off camera. Anyway, thank you to all my viewers and subscribers. If you like what you saw and you need your fix, please subscribe, like, and ding the bell or click the bell to be notified. So I will see you all in the next one.